we didn't do that. Sorry about that. That happens sometimes. You don't know why it does that. I have to fix that in my settings. Anyway, you missed the Reginald takeoff, which is really nothing special. This is the time of the day when heavies start to come in and out. I actually went to the international terminal to use the restroom a while back. And there are planes coming in. Not sure where the 737 is going. This might even be an this might be an A319. Yeah, this is an A319. Airbus 319. What's this coming in? Get that in the sun. Oh, that's America West. It's an American Airlines 737 in America West livery. And you're not going to get it because of the sun. I apologize for that. And over here we have a United Airbus 319 taking off. Not sure where it's going. I will look it up when I get home and let you know. What's this next in line? This is an American Reginald. Yeah, there it is. I got it in. This is an American Reginald. What kind of Reginald? That, I believe, that is either an Embraer 140 or an Embraer 145. It's not an E175. It's not big enough. And he's taking off already. And this is where I'm going to stop. I'm just going to take pictures because my battery's running low. Sorry for the short video. Toodaloo till next time. Have a nice day.